Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It. Today we're going to change the cabin air filter on this 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Okay, start by removing everything out of the glove box. And the first thing you want to do is undo this latch from here. Just pulls out. Then you have this little round things that you just twist and pull. You have another one on this side. Twist and pull. And the glove box is going to drop. And this is your filter right in here. Now to remove this cover, you just squeeze these two tabs here and pulls out, and then undo it from that side. Okay, that's your filter right there, and all you gotta do is pull it out. If you haven't done it in a while, just be careful. It's probably full of crap, just like this one is. Look how dirty it is. All right guys, that's your new filter. It was only like 10 bucks or whatever on Amazon. Let me show you something. So airflow is gonna come down from the top, okay? And you could tell because look how dirty the top is, and then the bottom, it's not too bad, right? So all the air is coming down this way. Somebody installed this one wrong, okay? They put it with the airflow arrow facing up. So you want that arrow facing down, okay? So on this one, you're gonna have a similar arrow. Where is it? Okay, so airflow down. So that's the way you're gonna put it in. All right, guys. Slip in your filter. Just like that. Then take your cover. You're gonna slip it in here first. And just click it in place. Next, put the clips in. Just put them in and turn clockwise to lock them in place. Next, put this latch back in. Just push it in place. All right, guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.